How's it going, everybody? I'm going to do a quick rack pack break. We got 2012 Top Series Baseball 1. I picked up a couple of these, the Series 1 they had, and then the Update Series, the Harper and the Trout Rookies. I actually got a couple of those out of those. So they was just on sale for $5.98. Not a lot of big hits in the Series 1. So maybe I'll get a cool insert or something, but let's check it out. Super cellophane. Always gotta open these from the bottom. If anybody cares for 2012 Series 1, but there's the odds. A hunk of cards. Alright. What we got, start off with Skip Shoemaker. We got Brendan Ryan, Craig Kimbrell, Vernon Wells, Matt Cain, Alex Ogando for the Rangers. Let's see here. We got a Orlando Hudson. Got a Phil Hewer, Carl Pavano. I really like to turn these cards around. Anibal Sanchez. Got Brian Wilson. That beard. That's a serious beard right there. We got David Hernandez. Got a active NL runs batted in leaders. Jones, Pujols, and Helton. Active AL win leaders. We got a Wakefield, Sabathia, and Burrell. His name. We got Alex Liddy, rookie card. 2000 AL runs batted in leaders, Granderson, Cano, and Gonzalez. Tim Hudson. Got Chris Sale, Jared Weaver, JP Arancibia, Joe Saunders, Angel Pagan. We got Mike Pelfrey, Eli Whiteside, Miguel Olivio. We also got a Niger Morgan. Roy Holiday. Got Albert Pujols, 11 World Series, Game 3. Jay Bruce. We got Desmond Jennings. We got Michael Pineda. Got the Texas Rangers. Insert card. Ryan Hannigan, Luke Hochevar. Not sure how you say that. The one thing, with videos in 2012, they had that little black, and it's hard to see. Eduardo Nunez for the Yankees. Luke Scott, Jordan Zimmerman. Got Kurt Suzuki for the Athletics. Set that aside for Mr. Watanabe. We got Brandon Allen, Drew Storen, got an Ian Desmond, Delman Young, Aaron Crow, John Jaso, another Rangers insert, Steve Delabar, 2011 NL earned run average leaders. We got Kershaw, Holiday, and Lee. 2011 NL home run leaders, that's Kemp, Fielder, and Pujols. Alan Craig, Tommy Hanson. Got Fred Johnson, Running with the Seagulls. Let's see, Nick Hundley. Very cool. Got a Mickey Mantle. I'm not sure what they call these. It's non-numbered, but show you a really cool card put on the sleeve. I know just the regular version can sell for a couple bucks. Not sure if that would go for any more, but cool looking card. Alright. We got classic walk-offs, Alex Gonzalez for the Marlins. We have a Albert Bell for the Indians insert. Dustin Pedroia mini. It's 87. One of my favorite sets. I know a lot of people hate this set, but like I said, that's my childhood. Very nice. Definitely be going in the PC. Got a Golden Greats Nolan Ryan. Very cool looking card. Like I said, not definitely happy with a $6 purchase. John Smoltz Gold Standard. We have a Ryan Lavarnway for the Red Sox. You have, very cool, got a Nolan Ryan and Jared Weaver. Timeless Talents. A little bit of a dinged up corner. Definitely go in my Nolan Ryan's PC. Got a Golden Giveaway, expired. Got a Logan Forsythe, Matt Joyce, Alcides Escobar. Got a Derek Jeter. Very cool. Got a Brett Myers for the Astros. I think I have that one already. Jeff Karstens, Kelly Shopuk, Josh Reddick. We have a Addison Reed rookie card, Michael Taylor rookie, and Chris Parmalee rookie card. So got some pretty nice inserts in there. Two really nice Nolan Ryan cards that will definitely go on my PC. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed it.